Avoiding collisions. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, avoid collisions. This phrase is not just about traffic or physical contact, it has broader applications in English. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means in different contexts. The phrase, avoid collisions, initially brings to mind the literal meaning, preventing physical crashes or accidents. This is commonly used in the context of driving, cycling, or even walking. When used literally, it emphasizes the importance of safety and being cautious to prevent physical harm. Interestingly, avoid collisions can also be used figuratively. In this sense, it refers to avoiding conflicts or clashes in communication or relationships. It's about navigating conversations or interactions carefully to prevent misunderstandings or disputes. This usage is particularly relevant in discussions about conflict resolution and effective communication. In professional settings, avoid collisions can imply preventing overlaps or conflicts in projects or tasks. It's about ensuring smooth operations and coordination in a workplace. Here, it might involve planning, communication, and collaboration to avoid any figurative collisions that could hinder progress or efficiency. Broadening the scope, avoid collisions can also be a metaphor for life. It suggests navigating life's challenges carefully, avoiding unnecessary conflicts, and making decisions that lead to a smoother, conflict-free journey. It speaks to the idea of living harmoniously, both with others and within one's own life path. Thank you for watching. Today, we explored the phrase, avoid collisions, in various contexts, revealing its versatile application in English. It's a phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning, offering wisdom for communication, professional life, and even our personal journey. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning content.